Today, we'll explore how to turn rejection into a powerful tool for growth and success, all through the lens of Stoicism. Rejection. It's something we all face. Whether it's a job we didn't get, a relationship that didn't work out, or an opportunity that slipped away, rejection can feel painful. But what if we could turn that pain into strength? Lesson 1. Control what you can. The Stoics teach us that we cannot control the outcome, but we can control how we respond. If you didn't get the job, don't waste time on what-ifs. Instead, ask yourself, what can I do now? Rejection is a sign that it's time to take action elsewhere. Lesson 2. See rejection as a teacher. Every rejection holds a lesson. Did you need more preparation? Was the timing wrong? Instead of taking it personally, learn from it. Each no is a stepping stone to a better yes. Lesson 3. Build resilience. The Stoics believe that life is full of challenges. Rejection toughens us, makes us stronger. Think of it like building a muscle. Each time you're rejected, you grow stronger in handling it. Lesson 4. Don't attach to outcomes. In Stoicism, they teach us to do our best but remain detached from the result. Focus on the effort you put in, not whether you win or lose. The journey itself is what matters most. Lesson 5. Redefine failure. In Stoic philosophy, failure is just another word for feedback. When we stop seeing rejection as a failure and start seeing it as feedback, it becomes an opportunity for growth, not a dead end. Lesson 6. Embrace impermanence. Nothing in life is permanent, not success, not rejection. The Stoics remind us that everything changes, so don't dwell too long on your losses. Know that better things are always ahead. Lesson 7. Practice patience. Stoics believed in the power of patience. Rejection doesn't mean never, it can simply mean not yet. Be patient. Often the delay brings something better than what we expected. Lesson 8. Strengthen your mindset. Rejection is an opportunity to cultivate mental toughness. By expecting challenges and accepting setbacks, we strengthen our ability to remain calm and focused, no matter what life throws at us. Lesson 9. Focus on the bigger picture. Sometimes rejection redirects us to where we're truly meant to be. When things don't go our way, the Stoics encourage us to step back and see how this rejection might actually be guiding us to something better. Lesson 10. Practice gratitude. Yes, even for rejection. Rejection is a gift. It teaches us, redirects us, and strengthens us. Thank life for the challenge, because it's shaping you into a stronger, wiser person. Rejection is not the end, it's part of the process. Embrace it with a Stoic mindset, and you'll find that every no is simply guiding you toward a better path. Thank you for watching Zen Fortunes. If you found value in today's lesson, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey of wisdom and growth. Until next time, stay strong, stay mindful,